It's so easy to lose all the meaning of who. What is your definition of a true superstar? Is it beauty? Is it money? Is it power? Is it fame? Are you in it for the glory? What's the purpose? What's the gain? Everything you ever wanted got you tied up in chains. Be careful how you play the game. The same ones that chose you are the same ones that own you. The same ones that built you are the same ones that killed you. The same ones that praise you are the same ones that hate you. Funny how it all goes around. If you lose your soul, you lose it all. You're at the top, then brace for the fall. Surrounded by faces, no one to call. Funny how it